Hey guys, so today I have a very practical item that I think pretty much everybody can benefit from, and this is a webcam cover. So as long as you have one of these on your devices, whether it be your computer, your phone, your tablet, you definitely probably want to cover up that lens that's looking into your personal life all the time. So what I had previously doing for my laptop was to just put a little black post-it note over it, but this is definitely a much more elegant solution to it. It has a little slider mechanism so that you can easily open it up and close it as you need to. So this product comes in a pack of 6 of these, so they're around a little over $1 each, which I think is a little bit pricey, but if you compare it to other things on the market, it's actually priced pretty competitively, unfortunately. But this definitely has a much smaller footprint than another product that I had tested, which had a much bigger footprint. So you have to be a little bit aware that the opening may cover up some sensors if you don't place it properly, so you definitely need to be aware of that. Because these are in a matte black color, it's not going to look as elegant on a white bezel, for instance on my iPad here, but it definitely is meant really more for laptops and computer screens, so I definitely wouldn't bother trying to put this on my smartphone. It just doesn't make that much sense. Hopefully in the future they can find a more elegant solution for that, but this one is really meant to cover the webcam of your laptop or computer. So installing these is really straightforward. It even comes with a pack of alcohol pads just so you can get that surface nice and clean to have a nice adhering surface. But basically once you have the right placement that you want, make sure you're not covering up any sensors, you can go ahead and remove the back tab to reveal the sticky side of these webcam covers. Go ahead and align it, stick it on, and you're all good to go. You can see I can easily just use one finger to remove it back and forth to open and close the webcam opening. These are also very thin, so you don't need to worry about when you close your laptop lid that there's going to be a gap or anything like that. It's nothing noticeable at all. So I definitely do like this design a lot. I think this is a much better build of webcam covers than the other one that I have tested, so as usual I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out. I think the only suggestion I have for this company is to maybe offer it in different colors like silver, white, just to be able to match different scenarios of laptops. But other than that, I think it's a recommended buy.